Expanding two brackets is done in a similar way to expanding one bracket, it's just a little bit longer. So if we zoom in a little bit, this first one, what this means is a plus 6 multiplied by a plus 9. So we're going to use our favourite method for multiplication, which is of course the grid method. Nope, you wish, it's actually the column method. So we've got a and positive 6, we're multiplying by a positive 9. Okay, first of all, 9 multiplied by 6 is 54, positive 54. And we've got 9 multiplied by a, which is positive 9a. Now we're looking at this part, but in a similar way to how you would do normal column multiplication, you'd have to put a 0 here. And then you've got a multiplied by positive 6, positive 6a. And you've also got a multiplied by a, which is a squared. Okay, and if we add these up, 54 plus 0, 54. 9a plus 6a, 15a. Positive 54, positive 15a, and a squared. So our answer is a squared plus 15a plus 54. Let's have a look at this next one. We're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to lay it out in columns. Okay. Negative 7 multiplied by positive 2 is negative 14. Negative 7 multiplied by b is negative 7b. Put our 0 here. We've got b multiplied by positive 2, positive 2b, and we've got b multiplied by b, which is b squared. Now of course I'm going to have to add these. Negative 14 plus 0 is negative 14. Negative 7b plus 2b is negative 5b. And b squared is just b squared. So in this case you've got b squared minus 5b minus 14. Okay. Before I start the last one, we're just going to look at something. If you notice, 9 multiplied by 6, that gives me my end term here, 54, just like negative 7 multiplied by 2 gives me this one, negative 14. Now obviously a times a will give me my first time, a squared, and b times b, b squared. What about this one? How do I get this? Well, in this case it's 6 plus 9 gives me 15. And here 2 subtract 7 is negative 5. Let's see if it works for this next one. It will of course work, but let's see if we can understand it as well. So, first of all, for my end term, that will be negative 3 multiplied by negative 5. I'm going to guess this is what my answer will be, positive 15. My first term is c times c, which is c squared, and my middle term means I've got to add these. Negative 5 plus negative 3 is negative 8, c, and of course if you have these together, that just becomes negative. I'm going to do the proper method though, and see if we can get the answer. C subtract 5, c subtract 3, multiplying, negative 3 multiplied by negative 5 is 15, negative 3 multiplied by c is negative 3c. Put your 0, c multiplied by negative 5, negative 5c, c, and c multiplied by c is c squared. So look what we've got. This was positive 15, so plus 15. Negative 8c, c squared, which is in fact exactly what we thought it would be here. So, if you need to use the long method, use the long method. If you begin to see the pattern, you can just use the short method.